Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today I will show you the complete update process of an iPad, and today I will show you the iPad 7th generation to and it will be updated to iPadOS 18.3. Okay, so Apple has released this iPadOS 18.3 last week on Monday. Okay, so only 5-6 days ago. Okay, so to do so, to update this iPadOS, I have to go to the settings. Okay, then under general tab, I'll put the general tab. I'll show you the about section, and I'll show you what is the status of this particular iPad. It is still showing that it is the 7th generation iPad, and it is on iPadOS version 18.2.1. Okay, so now I'll go back to the general, and over here I'll press the software update. And now over here on the software update process, now it is showing that this update includes some enhancements, bug fixes, and security updates for your iPad. Obviously, for my iPad, that is a 7th generation iPad. Okay, so now to complete this update process from requesting the update towards the Apple server, I'll set a timer and show you what the exact time it is requiring to update this particular software. Okay, and I am using the internet connection of Reliance Jio's Air Fiber, which is a 30 Mbps plan of rupees 599 per month. Okay, so with this I'll go to update this particular iPadOS 18.3, and I'll press the update now button over here. Okay, so now it is asking me to enter the passcode, so I am providing the passcode over here. Now after supplying this particular passcode, I have already started this stopwatch also, and I'll show you how much exact time it will take to complete the process. So this is now still it has started downloading from Apple server, and it is showing that it is about 3 minutes remaining to download the file from the Apple server, and it is already 31 seconds elapsed. So let us see what the exact time it will require to completely update this particular iPadOS 18.3 from iPadOS 18.2.1. So let us wait. Okay, so after 1 minute, it is showing that only 2 minutes remaining over there to download the file. Hence it is almost 6 seconds remaining, and the time elapsed is 3 minutes 28 seconds right now. Okay, so the file download from the Apple server is complete. Now it has entered into the preparing update stage, and it will take some time as per my previous experience, and let us see how much time it would take. It is 3 minutes 50 seconds almost. It has started or entered in the preparing update stage. So let us see how much exact time it would take to complete. Hence it is almost 12 minutes past. That means this preparing update stage was started at 3 minutes 50 seconds on my stopwatch, and now it is 15 minutes 20 seconds almost, and still on preparing update stage. So as per my experience, this particular process of today in the preparing update stage, it is taking much more time. let us see what exact time it would take to complete the preparing update stage. So let us wait. Now it is 19 minutes 40 seconds. That means almost 16 minutes passed, but this preparing update stage is not yet over for this particular update of iPadOS 7th generation iPad on iPadOS 18.3. Let's wait and see how much more time it would take to complete. Now on 21 minute 37 seconds almost, it has been entered into the install now process and it is now verifying. That means almost 18 minutes it has taken to complete the preparing update stage. Okay, and then at 21 minute 50 seconds, starting from 3 minute 50 seconds, this particular process of preparing update has taken. That means a huge time it has taken to complete the preparing update stage. Almost 18 minutes it has taken. Okay, and as per my experience, it is the longest time I have seen. Generally it would take 14-15 minutes maximum, but right today it has taken almost 18 minutes. I don't know why the time required is enhanced or increased over here. I don't know the exact reason. Whatever, now this installation is in process, and after 2 reboot this process will be complete, I guess so. Let us see how much more time it would take. It is already 23 minutes elapsed and still continuing. So now at 25 minutes 20 seconds, the iPad is getting rebooted and the installation is complete on 25 minutes 40 to 3 seconds. Okay, so from very beginning, no, oops, it has again started installing the OS and still continuing on 25 minutes 26 minutes. Okay, so let us see how much more time it would take to complete. So starting from the very beginning, that means from requesting the update to download the file from Apple server to the preparing update stage, which has taken the maximum of the time, means almost 18 minutes it has taken. Then now in the installation stage, and it is continuing, and till now only 27 minutes has taken to reach this particular stage of update. I guess after this reboot the installation will be completed. Okay, so The installation is complete at 28 minutes. Now it is asking for the passcode to be entered. Okay, so now over here, see, your iPad has been updated to iPadOS 18.3 and the time elapsed is 28 minutes almost. Okay, so now after entering the passcode, okay, I have entered the passcode. Let me check what the build number is for this update. What has happened? The settings is not loading completely. Is it any error or any bug? A black screen. Or a white screen like this. I don't know what happened to it. Let me kill it and reinitiate, but still not loading. Again black screen. So what has happened? I don't know. And after completion of this update, successfully updated it was, and now it has entered into a problem. Okay, so what has happened, I don't know. Let me reboot it. If the problem would persist, then I don't know how to troubleshoot that particular issue. Okay, so I have switched it on, turned it on. Let us see what happens now, whether the settings menu will be appearing or it will be white screen or black screen like the previous time. I don't know yet. Okay, so I'll enter the passcode over here again to unlock the iPad. So under settings, nope, it is not working again, and it is now not responding also. So is this a bug? Again it is black screen. That means the settings menu is not appearing. Now let me see whether the other apps, no, it is opening very good, no issues over there. But what is happened to these settings? It is not okay opened. Thank you very much. So now under about section, I'll let you know. So see over here, the iOS 18.3 has been installed over here. Okay, and the build number is 22D63. Okay, so with this, thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Bye.